Hey, good evening, everybody. Let's just give it a few moments just for Facebook to catch up, and we will get started. So, hope everybody is having a good Tuesday. God, I have to think what day it is. That's the here's the thing. God, when you work from home, you work for yourself. Every day is a work day, to be honest, and so it's strange at times. You have to just catch yourself, sort of thinking. Um, yeah, thinking what day is it? So, um, anyway, let's get going. So, David and Zoe, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate it. You are bang on time. So, what I wanted to do tonight, guys, is just another sort of fairly. Oh, hang on, no audio. Bear with me one moment. Let me see what's going on with. I had this the other day. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Right, cat is moving there as well. So let's have a look what's going on. No, it may be me, David. It may be me. Let's see. Bear with me one moment. Let's see if I can hear it. Oh, there we go. I got the audio now. So hopefully you guys can hear me. So David, hopefully you can hear me. Um, just give me a thumbs up, a like, a love, or a wow, or something if you can. Or David, just say you can hear me. But it looks like I am. Okay, let's go anyway and see. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So the other day I came and had did a Facebook live, and I was talking about a mastermind that I was going to do based on Find Your Why. David may not be able to hear. Maybe on his end. So doing a mastermind on Find Your Why, and this is something that I've been studying and using for a couple of years now, and I actually facilitated sessions at Disney for quite a number of cast members there, and then it's actually the program we were doing is actually being taken to the executives there within the finance area. So it's something that I know has got value, and it's definitely added value to me in my life in terms of identifying my why. And so I'm going to be doing this 4 week mastermind. It starts April 12th, so a week on Friday, 4 weeks. It's only $79. It's nowhere near. I'm nowhere near charging enough. But the reason I'm doing it is because it fulfills my why. Right? And my why is to add value to other people so that they can become the best versions of themselves, and that's you guys. So that's what I'm looking to do. So there's a whole process involved in it, and what I decided to do for the mastermind is just do 4 weeks where we'll work through the process in a group setting. Now I don't know how many people is going to sign up, obviously, but it's going to give you an idea and give you the fundamentals of working through the process. And then if there's something that you want to work further, then we can talk about that afterwards with follow-up programs and so on. Now, one of the things that Simon Sinek says in his book is that each of us has just one why. It's not a statement about who we aspire to be, right? So it's not a goal, it's not a dream. The why is who we are when we're at our natural best. So in other words, it's what's at the core of us, right? What's that feeling? What's that emotions? What is it that makes us happy? What is it that gets us out of bed in the morning? What is it that motivates us? Okay, it's different to a goal, it's different to a dream or an ambition. This is not what we want to do. This is not how we want to do it. This is why we do what we do. Right, now, one of the things that I work with, and I apply this with, and again, what I did in the facilitations at Disney, I did 2 sessions. One was aimed at the individual's why, and one was aimed at the department's why. Right, and this works the same. So if you are an employee, right, and you're looking to identify your own why. If you're an entrepreneur, you maybe want to identify your why for your business, right? What sets you apart from all of the other businesses and all of your competition? The same as if you've got a company, right? What is it with your company, and does everybody understand that why, and does everybody buy into that why? And then when you recruit people and bring them on board, they may have all of the qualifications checked, but do they fit in with the why of the company? Are they going to fit in with that and gel and bond, and are they going to portray that why of the company? You see, the why is an origin story. Again, it's not where we're looking to go, it's where we've come from. And most of us, probably all of us, our why is actually set before our teenage years, or certainly before our 20s. And the way we look at this is we will sort of go back and we'll look at stories from the past. And what we're looking for is the emotions and the feelings behind those stories, and we're looking for trends and patterns. Right? And those trends and patterns are not necessarily obvious, but what we're looking at is the experience we've had, the people we've been influenced by, the lives we've touched ourselves, both the highs and the lows. Right? And this journey can be emotional. And for me it was. But again, if you want to get to the core of something, if you want to get to find out why you do what you do, and then use that to form your future and the actions of your future, it's going to be painful. As John Maxwell says, everything worthwhile is uphill. And it is. Right? If this was easy, everybody would be doing it. But what we're looking for is we're looking for those patterns. Right? And then what I do is I'll coach you through those. So once we know those patterns, then we'll actually work on forming a why statement. Right? And the why statement is, again, it's your own why statement. Okay, it's the contribution you make and the impact you want to have. But again, we'll go into more details in the program. And if you think about discovering your why, it's like panning for gold, but you're panning for gold in the river of the past. And what you're doing, if you pan for gold, you get that sieve, right? And you're in the river and you're sieving, you're getting all of the dirt there, and you're sieving it and it's going through. And what you're looking for is those little gold nuggets. That's what the process is like. Okay, so to do it properly and as you work through it, can take weeks, it can take months. What I'm looking to do in this mastermind is give you that overview. Now, what I'm going to do is supply you, you'll have access to a members online portal. There'll be 4 live calls, right? They're consecutive Fridays. There'll be about an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how many questions we get. Each call will have probably about 30-ish minutes of teaching from myself, and then we'll do the Q&As. I will be setting tasks in between the calls, all right? So assignments in between the calls. You'll get a workbook. All right? I'll put that as a PDF in the portal so you can download that workbook and you'll work through that workbook. There'll also be some worksheets which have got the tasks on them as well. And so let's be honest, you will get out of this as much as you put into it. If you don't put in the effort and the commitment and the time, to be honest, you're not going to get anything out of it. And if that's the case, then it's probably best not to join. But if you are one of the people who is looking to achieve more in their life, and I'll go through my story in the course. I won't sort of like go over it in too much detail now, but I'll go through my story and my my realization and my sort of aha moments in there. But one of the statements that I put out and I put on there, and it's on the sign up, is about living to your higher expectations of yourself. Right, so are you living to the higher expectations of yourself, or are you settling for the limitations, and the average limitations at that are imposed on you by other people? Now, if you're okay with other people putting limits on you and you're accepting that, then again that's okay. I'm not looking to change everybody. This is probably going to apply to maybe 5% of people that are watching. Why? Because 95% will talk about change, but they won't want to do anything about it because it's hard work. The 5% that want to do something about it are the 5% that I'm looking for. And in actual fact, it will probably be 2% that will actually take action and do something about it. So this isn't going to be big numbers. I'm not looking to make lots of money out of this. I'm looking to help you guys. So do you want to rise to the higher expectations of yourself? Do you want to achieve significance in life and sustain significance at that? Or do you just want to muddle by? The choice is yours. To be honest, the choice is yours. Whichever you decide, again, it is okay by me. It's your life. Right? What do you want to do with your life? I'm just going to put the link in the chat for you to sign up. I mean, it's fairly straightforward. It's my website, so www.chris-j-baker.com and then /y. Okay, so that's in there. chris-j-baker.com /y. So take a look. Again, it's fairly straightforward. I haven't put a lot of details on the sign up page because it's pretty obvious. Do you want to understand your why? Before you can master it, you need to understand it. Before you can really take charge of your life and take control and dictate your future, you have to understand why you do what you do. All of the major successful companies, and I'll share some of these examples in the course, but all of these major successful companies know their why, and they communicate their why. That's what you need to do as well. So again, if you're an employee, communicating your why will set you above the rest of the crowd, right? That will help you get promotions and higher paying jobs. If you're an entrepreneur, setting yourself above the rest of the crowd will help you get contracts, and probably more substantial contracts. And if you're a business, again, you will get that from your customers, but you will also get loyalty and get an engaged workforce, and then your customer service will be better, and then guess what? Your business results will be better. So that's really all I wanted to say tonight. If you've got any questions, send me a message. The site is live to sign up now. The calls will start a week on Friday. They're virtual calls, so you can sign in from anywhere. They're 8 o'clock Eastern time, so I've tried to cover all the time zones. The calls are all recorded, so if you miss a call, you can go back and get the replay. And if you'll have lifetime access to those as well. So again, if you want to keep revisiting them, you can do. I'm not limited to 48 or 72 hours or anything ridiculous like that. You get lifetime access. All right, so hopefully you enjoy that. If you've got any questions, send me a note. I'm happy to talk it through, and look forward to seeing you in the course starting a week on Friday. Bye for now.